Congratulations on completing the Masterpreneur assessment and discovering your Masterpreneur score. That's a big step because clarity is the first ingredient to successful scaling. Now, your score is just the beginning. The real magic happens when we dig in and see what's driving it. Your strengths, your growth gaps, and the exact moves that will help you scale your business faster and easier. That's why I'd like to personally invite you to schedule your Masterpreneur growth map and action plan debrief. In just 30 minutes, I'll walk you through the full assessment report and show you exactly where to focus your efforts and share your personalized blueprint for rapid growth. I'm Andrew Frazier, founder of Small Business Pro University and creator of the Masterpreneur Journey Framework, the proven system behind your assessment insights. I've worked with over 1,000 business owners one-on-one and written 3 business books, including the Masterpreneur Playbook. You've got the clarity. Now let's turn that into action. Click the link below to schedule your session. And let's map out the optimal path for scaling your business faster and easier.